Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save Google Sheets as image on a PNG or JPG format. So here I've already opened the spreadsheets and I want to let's say save this chart as image. So what you need to do, there are two things that you can do. The first one is you can just use screenshot apps, or like here I'm on Windows, snipping tool like this on the on your computer, and then you can just screenshot the image, sorry, the sheet. So I'm going to just click on new and I'm going to select this chart on the Google Sheets like this. Let's try again. Okay, so after I do this, the Google Sheets will be saved as image like this. You can see now it's on image. So that's the first way. The second way is just you can just go to file. Oops, sorry. So you can go to file and go tap on download, and here you can choose the PDF format. Okay, so after you choose a PDF, here you can just export or save it, and after that you can go to your browser and find a converter, a PDF converted into image. So that's two ways to save Google Sheets as image. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.